In the realm of nutrition, few foods manage to be both indulgent and nourishing. Pecans, those delectable and slightly buttery nuts, occupy this rarefied space with grace. Beyond being a delightful addition to pies and pralines, pecans offer a treasure trove of health benefits that might just surprise you. From heart health to brain power, these unassuming nuts have a lot to offer. Let's dive into the nutty world of pecans and uncover the 8 outstanding health benefits they bring to the table. 1. Heart's best friend, cardiovascular health. Pecans are a powerhouse of heart-friendly nutrients. They are laden with monounsaturated fats, akin to those found in olive oil, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Moreover, pecans are a good source of antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which can contribute to reducing the oxidative stress that can lead to heart disease. Incorporating pecans into your diet might just be the savory secret to a healthier heart. 2. Brain health. Don't underestimate the nut's influence on your noggin. Pecans are packed with essential nutrients, including magnesium, which plays a crucial role in brain health. The presence of antioxidants and healthy fats can support cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of age-related decline in brain abilities. Munching on pecans might be a smart move for your gray matter. 3. Nutrient powerhouse, vitamin and mineral source. Pecans aren't just delightful in taste, they also pack a nutritional punch. A handful of these nuts can provide a generous dose of various vitamins and minerals, such as manganese, copper, and zinc. These elements are vital for various bodily functions, from immune system support to bone health. 4. Weight management. When it comes to managing your weight, pecans could be your secret ally. Their high content of healthy fats, dietary fiber, and protein makes them a satiating snack that can curb hunger and keep you feeling full for longer. The magic lies in their nutrient density, offering a satisfying crunch without compromising your calorie intake. 5. Sugar regulator, blood glucose control. For those keeping an eye on their blood sugar levels, pecans can be a sweet addition to your diet. Studies have shown that the healthy fats and fiber in pecans may contribute to better blood sugar control, making them a smart choice for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 6. Nutritional symphony, antioxidant richness. The orchestra of antioxidants in pecans can play a harmonious tune for your overall health. These antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, can combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting general well-being. 7. Inflammation warrior, anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, often dubbed the root of various ailments, can be tamed by the consumption of pecans. The diverse array of bioactive compounds found in these nuts showcases anti-inflammatory properties, potentially assisting in the prevention of inflammatory conditions. 8. Glowing skin, skin health. Your skin craves nourishment from within, and pecans might just hold the key to a radiant complexion. Their vitamins and minerals, along with their healthy fats, support skin health by promoting hydration, elasticity, and protection against oxidative damage. Incorporating pecans into your diet doesn't have to be a challenge. Sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal. Toss them in a salad for a satisfying crunch, or simply enjoy them as a standalone snack. Remember, like any food, moderation is key. In a world where health-conscious eating often seems bland, pecans emerge as a flavorful exception, offering a symphony of taste and health benefits. So, the next time you savor their rich, buttery flavor, know that you're not just indulging in a treat, you're also giving your body the gift of good health.